What's up my good people, welcome guys to Tech Explorers, and in today's video I'll be introducing you to a method in which you can be able to earn money with zero investment. All you need to have is a PayPal account. So if you have a PayPal account, you can actually be able to make over 200 USD during your free time by doing some task on this platform. So all you need to do is just click the link in my video description or in the comment section, and it will redirect you to this website. The website itself is Remo. You just need to visit that is Remo. Just click the link in my video description or the link in my comment section, and it will redirect you to this platform. On this platform, you are able to earn money by just performing some simple tasks, and they are very easy. All you need to do is just take the training. After you are done with the training, now take that is a paid task. And there is some more goodies on this platform, because as immediately you join this platform, you'll actually earn yourself 5 USD sign up bonus. So as the moment you just click the sign up there, that is the link in my video description, and join this platform, you earn yourself 5 USD. And in case you happen to refer your friend to start doing tasks on this platform, each one of you earns that is USB, that is a sign up bonus. So all you need to do is just click the link in my video description and create an account. You can see on this platform this platform has over 240,000 people plus who are performing tasks on this platform, and this platform has already paid over 15 million USD, and this website is accessible to over 90 countries worldwide. And you can see these are some of the people who have been doing tasks on this platform. You can see, for example, we have Steve from Kenya, we also have Timothy from Kenya, we have Remo from Philippines, another guy from Venezuela. So there are so many people on this platform from different geographical locations, regardless of where you are. Either you are in the US, you are in India, you are in Germany, you are in Kenya, South Africa, Nigeria, whichever part of the world you are, you can perform tasks on this platform and earn yourself some money. Let me log in into my account. This is my account, and when I was testing this platform, you can see immediately you join this platform, you earn yourself 5 USD. Now you and your friend, you each earn yourself you each get that is $5 sign up bonus. Then on this something else you need to know on this platform. For example, if I happen to click this button here and see the rewards, you can see, for example, I took this task, I was paid 1.25, another one $3, $2, 0.25, 2.25, 1.0, 1.0, 5.0 USD. We also have another one 3.0, 1.0. So you can see different tasks pays differently, and this task range between 0.25 to or even up to $5. You can see, for example, there's a task I was paid $5. So it depends on the kind of task that you are taking. And if I happen to click that is the task log, you can go to see how much I was able to earn on this platform. Actually, I trained on this platform. I trained 2 tasks on this platform. That is day 1. Then day 2, I started taking tasks on this platform, and I was able to earn in those 2 days that I trained for 2 days, then did perform the task for 2 days. And you can see I earned myself that is 61.31 USD after completing over that is 159 tasks. And if you happen to divide that is 61.31 divided by 159 tasks, it is approximately I was earning that is around 0.3 per single task, and these are tasks you can complete in less than a minute. So these are very amazing platform, and you can see some of the tasks that I was able to undertake. I trained for 2 tasks. We have the flamingo bullet refactor, and also there was another task that I also trained. Then you can check you can check here. When you want to start doing tasks on this platform, you just need to click training, and when you click training, you are able to train how to take this. You are able to read the instructions on how to take different tasks on this platform. So you just need to take the training. After you pass the training, then from there you can be able to access paid tasks. So all you need to do, you can see there are so many tasks here. You can see, for example, there is GFK chunking 3 all the way up to cupcake oxen. So you just need to click start, and when the moment you just click start, you're able to access, that is, you're able to start training on this platform. Once you're done training, then from there start taking paid tasks. Then each and every week you earn yourself some money. In case, for example, you happen to take this task for a whole week, actually you can go to earn yourself over 200 USD. And you can see these are some of the tasks that I performed: Flamingo Bullet Refactor, and also we have Flamingo Bullet. So you can be to take different tasks. Actually, these are the best platform to make money online with zero investment. All you need to have is a PayPal account and just this link, and you can just click the link in my video description and come to this platform, create an account, earn yourself 5 USD sign up bonus. Then from there start take the training, start taking the task, and earn yourself some money. That's all we have for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.